This conference will now be
Yeah, good
recorded.
morning, all of you. So we are going to continue the purchasing transaction part. Okay, so where we are delivery, I think, right? So this is delivery. In the PO item, we are learning about the purchasing transaction, which consists of RFQ, quotation, right? Price comparison, and selecting the cheap and best vendor, rejecting other vendor, and raising the PO, PR, and these are all called as purchasing transaction. And info record, source list, we have seen how to create the source list, information record, and contract, scheduling agreement. These are all purchasing transactions. So here, so we have seen this delivery schedule, right? And now coming to delivery. Okay, what delivery? This also finished. Coming to invoice, we have completed this also, right? And now coming to purchase order history. Whenever after creating the PO, if you pass the GR, then purchase order history tab will appear. Okay, that means here only GR is created. If you double click it will redirect you to GR, display GR. This is A04, right? But it's still this is called as open PO, right? Why? Because we have not created the IR invoice. So when invoice is finished, then this will be no more open PO. It will be a closed PO, right? And coming to text, text means we can give some messages here, like info record PO text, or material text, or delivery text, whatever. You can just mention here, please assure delivery is on time, whatever it is. Okay, like this you can maintain some notes here. Okay, and coming to delivery address, so this address is storage location address. Okay, so what will happen is whenever you raise the PO for this Tata Steel, okay, and that PO will check, the vendor will check if any address is there. So first priority it will check the plant address. If the plant address is not there, then it will take the storage location address. So at the time of creating the enterprise structure, we have already created the storage location and we have given the storage location address, right? So that address will be showing here, okay? Mia Pure. So this data supplier will be delivering you the goods to this address, okay? First priority is plant address. If that plant address is not there, then it will take you to storage location address, okay? That is what it is. Coming to this confirmation tab, acknowledgement required. If this set is indicator in PO printout, it will print as we require an order acknowledgement, so that after receiving PO, vendor will send order acknowledgement immediately to us by fax or email and enter that acknowledgement number in confirmation tab in dummy 22N. Click message button, output tab NEU, click communication button, logical destination LP01, back and save it. So here see, this is our confirmation control, order acknowledgement. So it is once they receive the PO, this Tata Steel will confirm that yes, we have received and we will deliver you according to the delivery date. Okay, that is the confirmation. Okay, yeah. So you can see this in communication pattern. The settings already are there. If you go to messages, okay, let me show you. Okay, this is NEU. Okay, see this is NEU. Output type is NEU, standard one. Okay, click communication button. So if you click this communication button, this logical destination LP01 is already there. Okay, yeah, LP back and save it. Also created PO number as per the document type number and set the PO to vendor in ME9F code with application name and output type NEW. So here now I'm trying to save this PO. Already I think it is saved. Yeah, standard PO change. Okay. So this we have created the PO. Set this PO to vendor in an ME9F code. So here if you go to ME9F, but nowadays like Outlook via Outlook mail, this PO printout copy will go to vendor. Okay. So ME9F, go here, give the PO number. Okay. Fill other details and application, select EM and output type NEW. Application EM and output type NEW. So actually it is not EM, it is EF. Make a note on this. Okay. So this is EF. Okay. Change to EF, all of you. It is not EM, it is EF. Okay. And output type is any U. Message type and output type, that is both the same. Okay. And execute. Okay. So here I think it is any U. Yeah. EF का NEU है. Take this. Okay. NEU. Processing status immediately. Processed in immediately. Okay. Successfully processed. What's your organization for this PO209? I think it is WPO1. Execute. If it is not coming, then remove this and now check this. Still not coming. So execute. Okay. Yeah. So now select this and click this output message. Okay. So this is not any U. This is any, not any W. This is any U. Okay. Make the changes. Okay. EF and output type any U. Make these changes. Now the PO is completed. Now coming to contract. How to make the contract in SAP? Okay. So what is basically contract? Making a long range agreement with vendors with predefined terms and conditions within a time frame, that is called contract. So we have type of contract. We have a quantity contract and value contract. In the interview they will ask what is a document type for quantity contract, that is MK, and for value contract is WK. Okay. And centrally distributed contract or centrally agreed contract, the document type is DC. So let's create the quantity contract first. So before creating the quantity contract, what we do is we will create the PR for agreement with ME51 and T code. Okay. And the document type we select this RV, means outline agreement. So I'm going to ME51 and T code, or directly you can create the contract without any purchase requisition. So let me show you with ME51N. Okay. Yeah. Excuse me. And select the document type is RV. You can close this document overview off, and here uh, outline agreement is nothing but scheduling agreement. You can take this document type as RV. Okay. And in line item, give the material number, quantity, plant. Okay. So we give the material number. So we have the material. We have so many materials. So we'll take some material related to 3,000. Okay. We have so many 3000, you can give anything. So let me check one material related to plant 3000. So we have created okay. Let me take zinc, okay, 1418, and give the quantity. Let's say 100, and the plant is obviously 3000, and the storage location 0001. Okay, and save it. So it is delivery address. This is the address of plant, first priority. Otherwise, it will see the second priority storage location address. I'm saving this PR. Note down this PR number. Anyone? Yusuf 1001356. Zaid. Akshaya. Note down this PR number. 1001356. Okay? Are you there or not? Zaid?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, no down. 1001356.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay,
I
okay.
have noted
You
them.
can okay, okay, right. You can mute yourself. Okay, so I've created the PR. Yeah, you can mute yourself. You can mute yourself. Step two, mute yourself. Yusuf. Lot of noise is coming. Zayed, Yusuf, who is that? Yeah. Mute yourself. Mute yourself. Okay. So now step two, I'm creating the RFQ with reference to PR. I'm creating the request for quotation with reference to PR. Okay. So how to create the RFQ ME41, right? So I'm going to ME41 now. Okay. So you have noted down, right? 1001356. Now I'm going to ME41. Okay. Yeah. So give this quotation deadline date and purchase group. Rest of the fields come by default, and click reference to purchase initial button. As I told you, RFQ document type is AN. Okay, so you give the quotation deadline date, let's say 25.07.2026. Okay, and plant, it is not WCP1. So because I have changed to 3000, right? Storage location also is 0001. Okay. Now you click reference to PR because we have created a purchase requisition. As I told you earlier, RFQ can be created with reference to PR, with reference to outline agreement, or without any reference. That means directly, right? This is also interview question. So we have created PR, so reference to PR button, click this. Okay, date format. Yeah. So this I need to put here dot. Okay. So reference to PR. So already this is the PR number, right? Akshaya, is this the PR number? Zaid?
100.
Ah, 100.
13
Ah, 576, right?
576.
Yeah, so that will come by default. Okay, see here. Purchase equation 1001356. Now continue this button. Purchase organization. Okay, so this is mandatory. So you need to give the purchase organization also 3000. Okay, and again, purchase group is also mandatory. So I can give anything 000. Now reference to click reference to PR. Okay, we have given the PR number. Now collective number is there. Okay, so I'll give some number here, like let's say 1, 2, 3. Okay, yeah. Correct number. Click enter. Give material number quantity. You click enter, and now you give the material number. Already it is coming via purchase requisition. Already we have given this material, and plant storage location. This is fetching from PR. Okay, and the quantity also 100. We have given in PR. Okay, click enter and save it. Click enter and adopt detail. Select this whole row. Adopt detail button. Okay, RFQ quantity also have given. It may be partial also. It may be full. Okay, so I'm selecting the full quantity and save it. Tab save. Enter delivery date. Return and deadline date. Okay, so quotation deadline date I need to reduce. So I'm giving this check is 26. No, so here giving here 90, 20. Later than deadline date. Okay, so what is the deadline date for submission of bids? So quotation deadline. I will write here 23. What is the delivery date we have given there? Any idea, anyone? Today is 20. Let me check this. No, not coming. Okay, let it be. Okay, so not taking this. So I need to check the date. What date I have given? Anyone, any idea what date I have given this? Please enter delivery date later than deadline. So this is the quotation deadline date. Oh, sorry. Here I need to give, not here. Okay, so I'm giving here 20.07.2026. Okay, so here this is not 28. Let it be here 26. I'm giving here 7. It will accept. Okay. Yeah. So now I have given this one. Save it. 25. Yeah, 27. I'm giving. Yeah. So vendor address should be confirmed. Okay. So here, um, adopt details. We'll go back. Yeah. So 2 is there. So here, how to. Already we learned this, right? So this is the vendor address. Okay. You need to give the vendor address. So different vendors you can provide the RFQ. So let me create a one vendor only. So I'm creating this 3000. Okay. Once you give this 3000 click, all address will come by default. Okay. And save it. So this RFQ has been created. Note down this number 6. How many zero? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 zeros and 1 code. Okay. I've created the RFQ. Only one I'm creating. Okay. Only one I'm creating. 6, 7 times 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 71014. Okay, go back. So it is asking another because I have another one, right? So I will give for this 2000 vendor, but that is not maintained. 3000. Okay, let it be only one. No. So one RFQ I've created. Now maintain quotation. So I'm running the cycle once again, right? So maintain quotation already we learned. What is that? ME47. Okay. So I'm going to ME47 now. So already RFQ number comes by default. Click enter. Okay. So I got these details. Maintain quotation. Your RFQ number. So already RFQ number is coming by default. Okay. RFQ quantity and price. Enter required entries and save it. So you see this maintain quotation. So here net price I'm maintaining here as 200. Let it be 150. Okay, save it. I've given the quotation price, and now I'm creating the contract. So this is what it is. How to create a contract? ME31K. This is the transaction code. So contract can be created with reference to PR, with reference to RFQ, or directly without any reference. So we have created the PR and we have converted the PR into RFQ, and we have created now what we'll do with reference to PR also we can create the contract. Okay. So I'm going to ME31 and decode 31K. ME31K for contract or value contract, whatever it is. So I'm giving here vendor. So here instead of this, I will go to reference to PR or reference to RFQ. Just now I've created the RFQ. Anyone noted down that RFQ number? Does anyone note down that RFQ number or not? Hmm? What is the RFQ number? Zaid, you know that or not? Tell me. Okay, let me create this one. This reference to PR I'm going, okay. Or else I can even go with RFQ also because I have RFQ also I've created, okay. Now let me go with PR. Click continue button. Okay. Requisition document type, are we not allowed with document type? Okay, so in this case what we need to do, reference to RFQ will go. What is the RFQ number यार? वो भी नोट नहीं करे. Let me check with ME42. ME42. This is what RFQ number, right? 68014. Okay. So reference to RFQ, I'm giving the document type. So it's agreement type. So document type and document type, as I told you, quantity contract and value contract document type are different. Okay. So where we are here. So we'll take document type MK and WK, right? Quantity contract and value contract. So I'm taking MK. Okay. Reference to RFQ, I give the number 6. कितने zero है में पूरे? 14, right? Is right? Correct? Yes. Now click this button. Validity end. We need to give this information here. Okay. Purchase or purchase group, and now validity end. So for how long you want to make a contract? Validity start from today's date, and then maybe 1 year. Okay. So 2027 July. Okay. So I need it till what is today's date? 20. Okay. 1 year. Okay. I'm getting this. How to customize the number range for contract? So I have given this already. Like number ranges are there, but if you want a new number range, you can do this. Okay. So you can see this all. Okay. So this is the menu I have given. So already we click RFQ number, and we have given RFQ validity start we have given, and validity end we have given. The future date, payment terms. Okay, we can give the payment term also. Okay. Yeah. So now we have given this all information here, and what about the target value? We can give some target value also. Let's say 10,000. Click enter. Select this. Click the top details button. Okay. Select info update if you want. Otherwise, no issue. Under delivery or no delivery, if you want, you can give it. Okay. I mean, even you can maintain the freight also if you want, or else just leave it. Okay. So this 200, this all information is there. If you want a reminder, you can put the reminder under delivery, over delivery if you want. Okay. You can give these details, as well as if you want the freight, you go here, you can give the freight details. Okay. So here, what is the freight? FRA1, right? So you can give here discount. If you want something discount or some other prices, you can give here, or else you can leave it. Save it. Okay. So now select item row from menu bar, item maintain source list. If you want to maintain a source list, you can maintain also, or else leave it. Okay. Or else leave it. So first let me try to create a contract. Here you can maintain here some freight if you want to maintain, or another line item you can maintain here. Okay. Go back and save it. So quantity contract is created. Okay. Note on this number. 46, how many? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5660. Okay. Someone note down this number. Contract we have created. What is this MK? Quantity contract, and WK is value contract. Okay. So quantity contract we have created with document type MK. Okay. 466 times 063. Note it down. Zaid, Yusuf. Quantity contract I have created. Okay. Now you you want to print or transmit contract document to vendor. So you can transmit this with ME9K T code. If you want, you can go with ME9K. ME9K. So this is what it is, right? So this will come by default, okay? So go to ME9K and click document contract number, application EV, EV. Already this will come by default, okay? And execute. So here, we will change to NEU, okay? Select this and click this output message. Okay, that's it. Now this quantity contract is created and sent to vendor. Observe updated source list, but source list we have not maintained. Leave it. Okay. Also observe updated prices and details in info record. Info record also we skipped it because already we know. Okay. Observe PR status in ME53 in status tab. So yeah, we can see the PR status. Okay. Click another PR for same material for purchasing. So if you want, you can create or else leave it. Okay. Only one PR we have created and we have seen the contract. Okay. So if you want to see the status, go to ME53N display PO. This is the status, right? See here contract. This is what we have created the contract, and also we have created the request for quotation, right? Based for this purchase equation. Based on this purchase equation, we have created the contract and we have created the request for quotation also. Now create another PO for the same material for purchase for purchasing ME51, and if you want, you can give or else you can leave it. Now contract release order with reference to PO. So I'm creating the contract release order. So how to create for we know how to create the PO, right? What is the T code? ME21N. So I'm going to ME21N now. Okay. So here ME21N and PR item number purchase requisition I'll give. So this is the PR number I will give here. What is the PR number? Anyone? 100? Yeah, Zaid, bolo. 13. I think it's 576, right? Yeah, barabar. Purchase order, right? You people are not saying anything. Vendor, 3,000. Okay. And give the price because we have not created info record. That's why it is asking the price. Okay. Document type RV requisition NB purchase order. Okay. Yeah. So So this is what the error. Actually, the document type we should take as NB in PR also. This is what the issue is. It copies outline agreement number in item row if agreement is not entered in PR. Enter outline agreement manually. Okay. So what we can do is, instead of taking the PR, okay, I'm removing this PR. I'm giving the contract number. How, where to give the contract number in outline agreement? Here it is. Okay. So yeah, tell me, Zaid, what is the contract number? Zaid, contract number bolo. 6000000014, right? Am I right? Yeah. When referencing a contract, please also enter a contract item number. Okay. So here you need to give here item number also. So I'm giving here 10. You understand? Yeah. The document, not a contract. Please enter a contract. Okay. So ये कॉन्टैक्ट नंबर सही है क्या, देखो एक बार. बोलो भाई, आप लोग बोले नहीं. या जेड, व्हाट हैपेंड? कॉन्ट्रैक्ट का नंबर लिखो यार. कोई नहीं लिखे, राइट? पता नहीं आप लोग कहाँ सोते हैं. ME50, ME32K से again I'll check. Okay, ME32K, ME32K और ME33K डिस्प्ले. ए दिस इज नॉट द कॉन्टैक्ट नंबर यार. क्या है, बोलते नहीं, करते नहीं, और गलत भी लिखे तो जस्ट साइलेंट रहते. दिस इज नॉट द कॉन्टैक्ट नंबर बॉस. 46000063. This is what now we have created. Check. ये तो बना है ना, दो वाला. ए यू पीपल आर साइलेंट यार. साइलेंट किलर हो गए आप लोग. कुछ भी नहीं बोल रहे, बस कंट्रोल सी. And I'm giving this in PO. Q control V. Click enter. Purchase requisition does not exist. Why it is showing like this? Okay. So the option agreement I've given. But anyhow, I'm giving there. Let me go back once again. I create the PO with reference to contract. Okay, so here MA21N and give the contract number here in outline agreement. Control V. Okay, click enter. When referencing a contract, please also enter a contract line item. Okay, so here in that case you need to enter here line item as 10 here. Okay, I'm entering here 10. Click enter. Enter a quantity, let's say 100. Source not included in list display despite source list record. Okay, so this source is not included in this display source. The source list is mandatory for this, but we have not maintained a source list record. That is what it is showing. So we need to maintain the source list. What is the T code? ME11, right? Let me create ME11, not ME01, I think. ME01. Okay, for this material and plant combination. 1418, valid from, let's say, take today's date, and valid to, okay, vendor is 3000, purchase order is also 3000, okay. Agreement number, please enter document number and item together, okay. Yeah, source list is there. Now here again, going to edit mode. Why this is coming free of charge? Because in invoice we need to select invoice receipt also. If it is free of charge, then that means this is vendor is providing you free of charge, right? Because in our earlier class I was telling you, if you select this, if you don't select this, what will happen, right? So we need to change this also. Yeah, but this is the, hey, this is the old PO, right? We are creating the new PO. So with ME 21N with reference to contract. So I'm giving the contract number here. Contract number in scheduling agreement. Click enter. Okay. When referencing your contract, please also enter a contract item number. Okay, I'm giving that item number also, 10. Quantity I'll give here 100. Source list included in list despite source list requirement. Source list is mandatory, it is saying, for this vendor. So we can remove source list mandatory also. Oh, okay. So if that's the case, then we need to go along with the source list. So here, we have left uh, some points here. Okay. So here, like contract, we have created this contract, and then yeah, this one we left, right. Select item row from menu bar. That is why the system is throwing the error. Okay. So what we can do is we again go to ME32K edit. Okay. The contract with ME32K, ME32K. This is what the contact number, okay. And now select item row and from menu bar, okay. So this is the item I'm selecting, and from menu bar, what I need to select? Item maintain source list. Item maintain source list. So give the validity from today's date. Validity to, you can give 31st, okay. Fix MRP, select contract vendor as fixed vendor MRP. This, fix, I'm putting this. Click back and click message button. So NEU is there, okay? NEU. That is the standard output. Okay, one print output and function VN. That is there. Back and save it. Okay, save it. Now go to ME21 and T code. So I'm giving this contact number here. So already I have the contact number. You need to give here in outline agreement Control V and give the line item 10 here. Quantity 100. Okay. Okay now. Yeah. So this point missed. So you need to maintain the source list also. Okay. Info record okay. No. If you maintain it's okay. Otherwise not necessary. So now we are here, right? PO with reference to contract ME21N. So we have given the PR, but that is not working. So we have given the contract number. Okay. Also copied net price condition type from contract in condition type and save it. So this all information, whatever we have given that is coming here. But we have not taken any right here, right, in contract. So all the information is same. Now save it. So this is what quantity contract. Observe first and second PR status in ME53N, NB and RB. So you can check the status also. Standard PO created with reference to contract, okay? And GR with reference to PO. So I'm going to MyGo. So note down this 210 PO number. Going to MyGo, MIGO. Give this PO number 210. Last one. So we have created the PO with reference to contract, okay? This is what it is. Item okay. Save it. Save it. As usual, you create a Myro also. Enter Myro with reference to PO using the T code. We know this, right? Enter normal IR process as usual. So now go to contract display NME 33K. So I'll show you this. Posting only possible. Why? So this we know, right? How to resolve this 3000. It's very simple. Go to MMPV, right? MMPV. Give the company code 3000, right? And give the date 01.07.2026. Execute. Yeah. Period closing complete log issued. So this is every month end activity, right? In real time also you will get posting period not possible. This kind of error in real time also every month. So you need to give the first starting day, opening date. Okay, so now here check if everything is okay, document is okay, then post. So you can create the Miro or you can just leave it. You have the idea how to create the Miro, okay? Now go to contract, ME33K will go to contract. Document is posted. So now we'll see ME33K display contract. Okay, click enter. Select item row. From menu bar, choose item statistic release item. Statistics release documentation. First select the item. Okay, sorry. Go to item statistics release documentation. Okay, yeah. Observe release order quantity, open contact quantity, etc. So this is what quantity 100. This is what net value. This is purchasing document. Nothing but the PO we have created. Target quantity is 1 lakh. But as of now, we have taken only 100. As this 1 lakh, we need to complete within 1 year. We have given the contract 1 year, right? Validity start and validity end. Like this, you can check. now coming to value contract. So as I told you, the document type for value contract is WK, and document type for quantity contract is MK. This is the interview question. Again and again, I'm saying this is the interview question. Okay, they will definitely, if they ask about this contract, they will ask this: what is the document type for contract, quantity contract, and value contract? Yeah. Yes. Now we'll create the contract value contract. So what is the T code ME31K? MK already we are seeing. Now we'll take WK value contract. WK. Okay. So vendor, you can give your vendor or whatever predefined vendor. Purchase or purchase group company code valid from valid to this all. Okay. So now what I'm doing is I'm giving this all details here. Vendor, let's say I'm giving here 3000 vendor. Okay. We have ready made and purchase or have given, purchase group also have given. Okay. So as I told you, contract can be created with reference to PR, with reference to RFQ, or directly without any reference. So that is what I'm doing now. I'm doing directly without any RFQ or without any purchase equation. Okay, manually. That means directly means manually. I'm doing the contract. Okay, without any reference. Click enter. Validity end. Okay, same again. I'm going for 1 year. Okay. Now target value. See this you need to understand. Value means how much is the value. Quantity means how much is the quantity. Earlier we have given that quantity, and now this is value. Okay, let's say it is 2 crore or 2 lakh, whatever it is. 2 crore I have given. Give the material number here. Okay, what material we need. So here we have so many materials. So let me check some material related to 3000. One 1448 is there. I'll use this. Okay, 1448. Okay, target quantity. Let's say is my 500. So give the net price how much. Okay, and the brand number. So you can give multiple materials. Okay, you can give one material or multiple materials. Okay, so as of now I'm giving only one. Okay, plant is there, storage location is there, or else you can give multiple material number also. Click enter and save. Click enter and save it. As I told, if you want to give some condition like freight or discount, whatever it is, you need to click here, okay? Or discount, okay? So you can give this discount value also if you need, let's say for 5 rupees, okay? And you can save this value contract. Note on this number, Zaid, 46 and at last 64. Are you there, Zaid? Yeah, Rupesh, you are there, right?
Yes, sir.
Today you're in holiday?
No, no, sir. I mean, that is only attendance.
Okay, okay. Okay, okay. Hope you're practicing.
Yes, sir.
Hmm. Hmm.
Actually, when I'm creating that PO, no,
Hmm.
sorry, invoice order my room.
Hmm.
That time I'm getting that error like taxing procedure not something like that.
Ah,
So I
the
check in
already I've
OBY.
shown you. No, no, already I've shown you that
Actually,
six T codes are there.
hmm,
First you go to OBYZ and then OBBG,
hmm,
assign country to calculation
hmm,
procedure, and then a TXP,
hmm,
and then FU11,
hmm,
and then OB40.
hmm.
Until unless you
Okay,
do
so
this
just
all
send me
fine,
that.
yeah, yeah.
Hmm.
So
Actually, what I did, no, I checked in YouTube that thing. So there I took OBYZ and I changed the taxing procedure, conditional
mm,
types, those
mm,
things, and
mm, mm,
but
mm.
it's not working again. I was getting the same error.
I need to check
That's
that
the reason.
personally. You do one thing. You come on Saturday or Sunday.
Hmm.
I'll call you. Okay, to my home. We'll see. Bring
Okay,
your
so
laptop.
remaining.
We'll check. Okay.
No,
Okay.
no, sir.
Your voice is not
I'm in
proper.
Bangalore.
Okay,
No, I'm in
you're in
Bangalore now,
Bangalore.
sir.
Okay, you're in Bangalore. Okay, we'll
Yeah,
connect
I'll get
via what is that called as uh, what is that? You have this any desk?
any desk.
Yeah, we'll connect via any
Oh,
desk.
yeah.
Okay, I'll
Okay.
check. Okay, yeah. So whenever I'm
Okay, night
free,
anytime you are
yeah,
free, sir.
night, yeah, night 11:30 we'll check for a night today.
Night.
Okay, just remind me. Hmm?
Okay, then fine, sir. Today we check that
Hmm,
one. Why?
hmm.
Because
Okay.
next thing
Hmm,
I want to do is today I want to rectify
hmm.
that error. No?
Okay, okay.
Today it is fine for you, sir. Today night.
Today I need to check because my client has given a lot of work. So actually my
Okay,
official
then just
timing
check.
official timing is 2 to 11.
Okay,
So I'll
then
check
then
and
just text me
but you
you
also
are free
remind
then.
me. You just remind me on WhatsApp. Okay.
Hmm.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Okay, okay. Thank you,
Yeah.
sir. Thank you very
So
much.
yeah. Okay. No issue. So here value contract. So note down this number 46000064. Okay. Note down this number. Yeah. You can mute yourself, Rupesh.
Okay, sir.
Now release order PO with reference to contract. Okay. So now I am giving this. Note down this number 46 and 64. Okay. 46 and 64. So I'm going to ME 21N. Click enter. So PO can be created with reference to PR, with reference to RFQ, and with reference to contract also, right? So always you need to give the contract in outline agreement here 4664, right? 64. And here you need to give here 10 also, line item 10. Click enter, enter quantity. I'm giving here 100. Click enter. Source list not included in list displayed. Source list requirement. Okay, so that is what. Again, you need to go to ME 32K, right? Chain contract. Select the whole row. Item. Maintain source list. Validity. Valid from 20. Valid to 31. Let's say. Okay. And you can make this as fixed. Okay. Save it. So go to ME21N. PO can be created with reference to contract, with reference to RFQ, with reference to PR. We have seen this, already so many times we have done purchase acquisition. Okay, now we don't know this because we are new, right? PO can be created with reference to contract also. So give the contract number here and the line item as 10 here. Okay, click enter, and the quantity here you can give here 200 or 100, whatever. Okay, maximum order quantity 100. Okay, from info record exceeded. Okay, so I'll give here 100. Click enter and save it. So I have created the PO with reference to contract. So since I have taken only one material, so only one material line item is there. This is for second line item, but I have taken only one contract. In the time of creating the contract, only one line item I've selected, only one material. Okay, observe copied prices from contract and save it. So pass the GR and IR, we know this, right? Pass normal MyGo and normal MyRo. Create another PO if you have, you can enter. Okay, that's it. So you understand what is quantity and value contract. So to check the target value, again go to ME32K, enter contract number just like I have shown you now earlier. If total PO value exceed contract target value, then contract is over. How much target value we have given? 2 crore, right? Or for a particular item. If total PO's quantity, so that is for 1 year, right? Exceed contract target quantity, then contract will be over for that particular line item. Okay. Now coming to centrally agreed contract. Before making centrally agreed contract, assign purchase organization to reference purchase organization. Because reference purchase organization are made for making contract. Therefore, contracts are possible. So here, before going to centrally agreed contract, we need to do some customizing, some implementation part. That is important. What is that? Assign purchase organization to reference purchase organization. Where it is, you need to go this menu path. So I'm going to SPRO. But already in predefined it is there. But if you want to practice in your own enterprise structure, then you need to do this. So for 3000 already it is there. No need. I'll show you now. SAP SAP reference IMG enterprise structure. Okay. Enterprise structure, assignment, material management, assignment, material management. Okay. Assign purchase organization to reference purchase organization. Assign purchase organization to reference purchase organization. So they will ask in interview, centrally agreed contract means what? So this is possible when you are assigning purchase organization to reference purchase organization. Click this. So already for predefined, as I told you, for 3000 it is already exist. And check my release order and conditions and save it. So here see for which purchase organization you need. Like if you are practicing in your own enterprise structure, then see here for 3000, let me show you. 3000 purchase organization. Different purchase organization is there. So if you click this detail button, see release order is there. It is already there. But if you are practicing in your own enterprise structure, let's say for example, enterprise structure you have already created WPO1, right? Wipro Purchase Organization 1. In that case, you need to select the WPO1. Okay. I'm not finding here because maybe I have not created a WPO1. It should appear here, right? But you know, right, what I'm saying. So in that case, let's say WPO1 is this one. You need to select this, click the detail button and click this release order and condition tab. That is what it is for reference purchase organization if you are going for centrally agreed contract. Okay. So now for 3000 already checkbox is there, release order and condition, and save it. Already we have seen for 3000. Now coming to step 1. Create contract by central purchase organization. Reference purchase organization ME31K. Again the T code is same for quantity contract, value contract and centrally agreed contract ME31K. Okay. But the document type is different. For centrally agreed contract, what is the document type? DC. So you need to select the DC here. Okay. Centrally agreed contract. See, distributed contract DC. Okay. Select this one DC document type and give the plant, purchase organization, purchase group, plant, storage location. This is all information you need to fill. Okay. And note, before creating centrally agreed contract, make sure vendor master maintain in central purchase organization. Okay, this also we need to make sure whether that is maintained in central purchase organization. For 3000 it is maintained. Okay. Yeah. So as I told you, contract can be created with reference to PR, with reference to RFQ, or without any reference. That means directly, right? So I'm giving here 3000 vendor. Click enter. Validity and let's say this is also for 1 year. Target value, let's say 10,000. So within 1 year, I need to consume this all value 10,000. 1 lakh. Give the material number. Okay. Let's say I'm giving this target quantity is my 10,000. Net price 100. Click enter. Okay. And save it. Or else if you want to give some condition freight, you can give here via this condition type. Okay. So as of now I don't want to give anything. I'm saving this. Okay, note down this number 47 and at last 38. Okay. This is centrally agreed contract. Distributed contract created under the number 47 and 38. Okay. 47 and 38. Now with reference to centrally agreed contract, I'm creating the PO. So 47 and 38. Go to ME21N with the contract number in outline agreement 47, right? And here 38, right? 38. Click enter. Enter the quantity. Let's say 100. Source list again. Sorry. So again I'm going to ME 32K. This is what it is. Centrally agreed contract with the document type DC. Click enter. Select the whole row. Item. Maintain source list. Okay, valid from today's date, and I can give valid to 1 year or whatever it is. Save it. So go to now ME 21N centrally agreed contract. So go here,